Hi, I'm Rich Simmons, and as a participant and leader in Pay Diamond, I'm honored to serve you with training material that will help you understand and grow your business. Pay Diamond has made 5 types of bonuses available to participants. The weekly participation bonus, the 5% bonus you will receive weekly for 50 weeks. The startup bonus, the once-off bonus you receive when you introduce a new participant to Pay Diamond. Team Binary Bonus, the bonuses you will receive when you've introduced at least one participant into each of the legs in your team. Unilevel Bonus, the volume bonus received monthly for the volume of participants you have created in your team. Leadership Recognition Bonus, the various leadership bonuses Pay Diamond awards you as you advance and accumulate points volume. In this video, I'm focusing on helping you understand the Team Binary Bonus. You are a participant in the business and you will start earning your weekly bonuses after a 4-week waiting period after you have bought your first diamond pack. The rule is, to qualify for team binary bonuses, you will need to introduce at least one person into each of your team legs, one in the left and one on the right. When this happens, your Pay Diamond status will change from waiting binary to active. All the packages in Pay Diamond have been assigned a points value. The PVs are used to calculate the team binary bonus, your advancement in your Pay Diamond career, and the leadership recognition bonuses. The various packages have the following PVs. The $18,000 Safe Pack, 5,000 PVs. The $3,600 Master Pack, 1,000 PV. The $1,200 Plus Pack, 300 PV, the $400 Light Pack, 100 PV, and the $200 Joy Pack, 50 PV. Let's look at our first example. I've placed a guide in the top right-hand corner so that you can see which pack I'm referring to when I use the points value. Also remember that your placement within a team may be different, so please always check with your sponsor where you should position your new participants. In this example, you sign your first participant with a $400 package, which has a PV of 100. You will also receive a startup bonus of $10, but I will not be showing that in this example. You sign up your second person with a $400 package, which has a PV of 100, and you place him on the opposite leg to your first person. You will also receive a startup bonus of $10, but as I've said previously, I will not be showing that in this example. You will notice that your binary is now active. In terms of the calculation that will be done by the Pay Diamond system, you have 100 points on your left and 100 points on the right. The system will now look for a balance of points to close a binary. Therefore, in this example, the 100 on the left equals the 100 on the right. These effectively cancel each other out, and the system will pay you 50% of the leg with the least PVs. In this example, 50% of 100 points will be calculated and $50 will be added to your back office balance. Now let's look at the second example. You were placed into a team by your upline sponsor when you registered and purchased your first package. Please note that you do not accumulate any points and therefore you will not receive any startup or team bonuses for your own position. You will, however, notice that points are accumulating in your team leg. This is because of the spillover of other participants joining the Pay Diamond business. In this example, 3 participants have joined and you have accumulated 1,150 points in the left leg of your team. Participants often see this happening and are inclined to put their referrals into the opposite side to balance this. In this case, another person joined on the left, bringing the running total to 1,450 PV, and you signed up a participant with a $400 package, bringing the total on the right to 100 PV. Your account is waiting binary, and therefore you will need to introduce a participant to the left leg of the team so that you can qualify to start receiving team binary bonuses. In this example, you sign a new participant with a $200 package, adding 50 PVs to the left leg and making your team binary active. The system will now look for a balance of points to close a binary. Therefore, in this example, the 1500 PV on the left and the 100 PV on the right. In this case, the 100 PV on the right is the least. Therefore, the system will pay you 50% of the leg that has the least PVs. You will get $50 added to your back office balance. The system does this calculation at the end of the day, and the balance is added at the start of the next day. The total on the left has now decreased by 100 points, bringing the total on the left to 1400 PV and on the right to 0 PV. Another participant has joined on the left with a $1,200 package, adding an additional 300 PV and bringing the total on the left to 1700 PV. You and your team now recruit another 3 participants, one with a $400 package and another 2 with $3,600 packages. This increases the points on the right to 2,100 PV. The system will now look for a balance of points to close a binary. Therefore, in this example, the 1700 PV on the left and the 2100 PV on the right. In this case, the 1700 PV on the left is the least. Therefore, the system will pay you 50% of the leg with the least PVs. You will get $850 added to your back office balance. The total on the right has now decreased by 1700 points, bringing the total to 400 PV on the right and the left to 0 PV. Please note that you are only able to receive an $850 bonus if you have at least a $400 light pack in your personal possession. Should you only have a $200 Joy package, your limit will be a $500 bonus and you will actually lose the $350 balance. Please ensure you acquire a $400 light package before your team grows too big. Should you have any questions, please email me at rich@paydiamond.co.za. If you have not already become a member of Paydiamond, you will find a registration link in the description box for this video. I look forward to working with you as we journey on the road to success.